Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss a question which came in JEE Mains 2022, right? So let's come to the question. So here it is given that A, B and C are vertices of a triangle ABCD, and 5 comma pi by 4 it is given to be the center of the triangle. Then they are asking that which one of the following about the triangle AB is not true, right? So some options are given, right? So in this question, first we have to understand what is circumcenter, right? Circumcenter, and then we have to know what is circumradius, what is inradius. So with the help of this question, we are going to discuss all these terms, right? So let's first try to draw the triangle, right? So as you can see here, for the vertices A and B, right, our x coordinate for the vertices A and B, it is what? It is same. Means what? They lie on the same vertical line. Means it will be a line which is parallel to the y-axis, which is parallel to y-axis. And also if you note carefully that A and C, if we see the y coordinate of A and C, we can find that the y coordinate of A and C are what? They are also equal. Means this line A and C, they lies on the same horizontal line, right? Means it will be something like this. So this will become our point A, right? So alpha minus 2, right? This will become the point C, alpha by 4 minus 2, and this will be our the third coordinate, that is B, alpha minus alpha 6, right? Now let's join this vertices. So it is a triangle, and we can see that it is a right angle triangle. Now what they are saying next in the question, that 5 comma pi by 4 is what? It is the circumcenter for this triangle. So since it is a right angle triangle, for circumcenter it will lie on the hypotenuse. Means what is circumcenter? It is the point of intersection of all the perpendicular bisector of each of the sides. So if you draw a perpendicular bisector for this side, it will be something like this. If you draw a perpendicular bisector for this line, this side, it will be like this, right? And if you draw a perpendicular bisector for this side, it will be something like this, right? So they are meeting at this point, so it will become our circumcenter, right? And the coordinate of this point is already given, that is alpha 4. So this is the coordinate of the point, that is the circumcenter. Now what we are required to find, since alpha is missing here in all these cases now, so with the help of this circumcenter we are going to find the value of alpha, right? Now as it is a right angle triangle, the circumcenter, it lies on the midpoint of this hypotenuse. Means the line joining the point B and C. D is the midpoint of the line joining the point B and C, right? So what is the formula for the midpoint if the two coordinates are given, right? So according to that, if suppose if B and C are this, B and C is this line, right? So B is this one, and this is our C point, as I'm doing it here, right? So and this is the point D, that is 5 comma alpha by 4, and this one is C, sorry. So alpha by 4 minus this one, and this is alpha comma this, right? So for this coordinate, since it is the D is the midpoint of this, can we write the coordinate of this to be this one, that for the midpoint we have the formula that x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So alpha plus alpha by 4 divided by 2. Similarly y1 plus y2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So from here what we will be getting? We will be getting alpha plus alpha by 4, right, divided by 2, and from here it will be 6 minus 2 is 4, divided by 2 it will be 2, right? Now you compare this coordinate with this D, right? So if we compare it, I'm comparing the y coordinate, right? So from here alpha by 4 can be written as 4 can be written as what? It can be written as 2. So from here alpha is equal to what? It is equal to 8, right? So we can substitute the value of alpha, we can substitute the value of this alpha to get the coordinate of this triangle, right? So let's draw the triangle once again. So this is the triangle. So this is the triangle, this is our A, this is C, and this is b. Fine. And what will be the coordinates? As we have got the alpha, so it will be alpha, comma 6. This midpoint will be now 5, 2, right? And this a coordinate will become what? It will become 8 comma minus 2. This c coordinate will become 2 comma minus 2, right? So these are the coordinates. Now from here, as the coordinate of this triangle it is known, means as the vertices of this triangle is known, so we can find the length of this side using distance formula. So what will be the length of the side? If you calculate the length of this side AB, it will come out to be what? It will come out to be 8. If you consider the length of this side AC, right? So since y coordinate is same in both the case, so it will be 8 minus 2, that is 6. The length of this side will be 6. Similarly for this also AB, right? So since the x coordinate for this is same, right, we will just subtract the y coordinate. So 6 minus minus 2, it will become minus 8, right? So this will become our minus 8. Fine. Now what will be the length of this side BC? It will be, we can find it, right? So distance formula, use distance formula. So 6 minus 2, it is 6 whole square, then this minus this, it will be 8 whole square. So it will come out to be root 100, right? So this is nothing but it is equal to 10, right? So the length of this side will be what? It will be 10. For this side it will be 10. So we are getting this BC. This is our BC. Fine. So we have got the length of the sides. Now as we have got the length of the side, now what we are given here, what will be the area of this triangle? Since it is a right angle triangle, right? So area will be equal to what? Area will be equal to, it will be half into base into height. What is the base? It is 6 into height. Height is what? It will be AB. So into 8. So cancelling it, what you are getting? Minus, it will be 24, right? So this option is what? It is correct. Similarly here, what is the perimeter of this triangle? So length of the sides is given to be 6. So 6 plus 8 is what? It is 14. 14 plus this is 24. So here perimeter is given to be 25. So this one is what? It is incorrect. So this will be actually, it is will be our answer, right, for this question. But let's see this, check these options also. How we'll find the circumradius of this triangle? So circumradius will be what? So considering this as the circumcenter, means suppose this one only. So considering this as a circumcenter, we'll draw a triangle. We'll draw a circle, right? We'll draw a circle which will be passing through this vertices, right? So this circle become our circumcircle, and this center is what? It is called as the circumcenter, right? So if this is the center, so this line BC is what? It is the diameter of this, so this side, it will be equal to this side. So actually what is the length of this side BC? What is the length of this side BC? Length of the side BC is 10. So what will be the radius of this? Radius will be, it will be 5, half of the total length. So radius will become 5. So this is also correct. This one is also correct. So correct. So it cannot be the answer. What is in radius now? So there is a formula for in radius. In radius is given by, it is given by area of triangle ABC divided by S. S represents here semi parameter. So it will be, semi parameter will be what? It will be the sum of the parameter divided by 2. Sum of the parameters. So sides are 8 plus 10 plus 6 divided by 2. So it came out to be 12, right? So from here radius is already known, it is 24 divided by 12. So it is coming out to be 2, right? So this one is also correct, right? So we are required to find the incorrect one. So this cannot be the answer because all this are what? They are correct. So our answer will be what? It will be our B. B will be the correct answer to this.